Hi guys! So today we'll be making a delicious smoothie that's super easy and perfect for breakfast or lunch. 1 banana, make sure it's really ripe, so it should have brown spots so it's easy to digest and it's sweeter. And then 2 or 3 dates, it depends on what type you use. I have this super moist and delicious dates from Iran. But you can definitely use both dried dates or mature dates if you prefer that. Just remember to pit them. And then I have around 400 deciliter of plant milk. I use rice milk, but it's good with oat milk, or if you're not vegan, you can replace that with any other milk. And here we got a small handful of pumpkin seeds. It's around 10 grams. And then we got frozen fruit. So here is a mix of strawberries, peaches, pineapple, and mangoes. That's great for us living in Scandinavian or colder areas that don't get our hands on fresh foods. And then I got around 40 to 50 grams of frozen spinach. But if you have fresh, that would be great. So just add a handful of fresh spinach or fresh kale. At last, we have 1 tablespoon of matcha powder. Cutting the banana up in just a few pieces and add it to the machine. I use just a simple smoothie machine, but you can use a smoothie machine or a blender. And since I just have a simple smoothie machine, I prefer to put the easiest parts first, so the machine has something easy to work with, and then mix it up. There you have it. And as you can see, I like mine quite thin, but if you want it thicker, just add another banana or a bit more fruit. And you can also add a bit of water instead of all that milk. And this is a really cheap and awesome smoothie. I like mine this thin, so it's possible to add it to any kind of bottle, and it's good for the go. If you're busy with work or school, you can pre-make this the day before. So as you can see, this made quite a lot and has a beautiful color and will last you all the way to lunch. I really like this. Enjoy!